How to update Instagram Messenger. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel How to Apps. This is me Bipin Basnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can update your Instagram Messenger. Now if you're confused on how you can update it, well basically if you just simply head into your Play Store or App Store on your device depending on your device that you have, and there you want to search in for Instagram as I've done so on the screen, and then you can simply open up Instagram. If the update is available, you'll find the update option instead of this open option that you can see on the screen. However, in case you don't receive an update for a long time and you know the update is already out but you're still not getting the update on your device, then you might want to try and reset the application. Now to do so, you want to simply scroll down the notification bar, tap on the gear or the settings icon at the top right corner of your screen. Once here, you want to scroll down all the way below until you find the option apps. Under apps, you want to simply scroll down and search in for Instagram, or from the search panel you can search in for Instagram as well. Once you search it, you want to tap on it and open it up. Under here, what you want to do is on the app info, you want to head into storage option. Under storage at the bottom of the screen, you can see two different options that says clear data and clear cache. You want to simply tap on clear data and then tap on delete. This will reset your application. This will log you out of your all saved accounts as well. Basically it's as good as uninstalling and reinstalling the app. Once you do so, you want to head back to Instagram. You should get the update now. You want to search in for Instagram and simply update your application and you'll get the update. So this way you can update Instagram Messenger, or you can force the update. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.